I have a the brand new CBR 650R with me. It's a 2025 version, and there's a special trait to this bike that is brand new. I don't think there's any other bike that has this feature, but this 650R has the Honda E-clutch. That means this is a little motor that will use the clutch for you, so you don't have to use the clutch. This is literally a clutch-less bike. So there's a clutch, it's fully functionable, and you can use it or you can not use it. I'm actually gonna show to you guys how you can use this this new E-clutch. It's very dope. I've been riding with it all day today, and it's so useful. So this bike is fully stock, and then as you can see here, this is the automatic transmission that's activated. So it's in neutral right now, and as you can see, the lever has no spring in it. It becomes kind of numb, but there's this point here where you can activate it. So there's this little point here where if you're riding a bike, this is gonna turn off, and then you're gonna have full access to the clutch. But as you can see, the clutch doesn't work anymore. So you can shift in first gear without using the clutch. There you go. So we're in first gear, and it's very counterintuitive if you've ridden bikes before. I've been riding bikes for more than 2 years now, and it's very weird for me to not use the clutch. But as you can see, I'm not gonna touch the clutch, and we're in first gear right now. We're not stalling, by the way. I'm just gonna pull the throttle, and then we're gonna be moving. So this concept is very, very nice for people that just started riding. I think this is the best beginner bike that somebody can get. You don't have to learn how to use the clutch, and as you can see, I'm stopping. I never used the clutch. I did not stall, so this little motor is working, and it's pulling the clutch as we're stopping. And it's very, very, very good at understanding when to use and not use. So as you can see, it doesn't, like, I'm not giving a lot of throttle, so it kind of slips a little bit, but it's very, very, very smooth. And as you can see, we are just cruising with no clutch. So, and then you can change gears with no clutch as well. So as you can see, we're in second gear right now. We're stopped, and the bike is not stalling. So let's see if we can start in second gear. As you can see, it slips a little bit, but it's very good at going up and not stalling. Mind you, the bike can stall if you play with the clutch and then you don't give it time to go back into gear. As you can see, I'm gonna downshift right now. Did not use the clutch. It's super fluid. And then here we go. If I want, I can use the clutch. As you can see, I use the clutch. The light disappeared. If I can downshift with the clutch too. As you can see, and then right now it goes back into automatic. So in automatic mode, you can upshift and downshift without using the clutch. So literally, we're just gonna go forward, and then we're gonna upshift. Oh, there you go. You can also get neutral while you're in automatic. So I didn't push the lever enough, so now I'm in second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and then I'm gonna drop down. So give a little bit of throttle when you're lowering your gear. It's gonna be like way more fluid than if you don't give throttle. It's kind of counterintuitive. Most times when you downshift, you want to blip the throttle to like rev match. Well, in this system, it's automatic, so you don't need to rev match. You can just, let's go a little faster. So as you can see, I just dropped down 2 gears, and I just gave it a little bit of tension on the throttle, and we went down gear super easily. In my opinion, this is the best beginner bike somebody can take. 650. It's not too fast, and the clutch is a big factor. You can ride all day and not use the clutch once. There's no reason you have to, and see, in those situations where you have to use the clutch normally, where it's low speed, it's difficult to maneuver if you're a new rider. This is incredibly helpful. So as you can see, if we go into the settings, we can change if the e-clutch is on or off. Right now it's off, so you have to use the clutch. As you can see, the clutch is now hard, so now you pull in the clutch, and then it's a normal bike. Do not do this on a slippery place like me. But now the clutch is completely normal bike. The clutch works as normal. As you can see, the movement I'm doing with my, this is not easy for a new rider to find that tension point. So what the e-clutch grants you is not having to find that tension point, and then slowly with time you find it. So as you can see, we're in manual mode now, and let's go to settings. We're gonna turn it back on, and you can also put it at hard or medium. Hard is gonna be more harsh on the downshift and upshift. So we're in hard mode right now for the clutch. We're gonna see how it acts. Right away, it picked it up way faster. So we're gonna see how it goes when I'm gonna upshift. It's way faster. So if you're a more aggressive rider and you want to use that hard mode, feel free. And you can also put it as soft. I guess if you're a new rider, that soft mode is probably best for you.